America was built by people who left everything behind. Not because they had a choice, but because they believed in something bigger than fear. But today? The American dream still exists. It just doesn't look like the one our grandparents chased. So what changed? And why does the dream feel harder than ever, for millions? Then, the dream that pulled the world. For generations, the American dream was simple. Work hard. Survive the struggle. And your children would rise higher than you ever could. In the early 1900s, ships arrived in New York packed with families who carried everything in one suitcase and hope in the other. They didn't speak the language. They didn't have money. But they had a belief so strong it survived oceans. To them, America was a promise. A place where effort meant something. Where a factory job, a rented room, and long nights could build a future that didn't exist anywhere else. Now, the dream feels different. But the America of today? It's faster. It's more expensive. And honestly, it's more divided than it has been in decades. Instead of arriving by ship, new immigrants arrive by airplane. Carrying degrees, hopes, and the same dreams as those who came before. But when they land, they walk into a world that's already struggling with rising rent, high cost of living, tight jobs, and a system that feels complicated even for those born here. The dream didn't die. It just got harder to reach. The struggle they share. Then and now. Different generations face the same questions. Will I ever afford a home? Can my family be safe here? Will my work mean something? The truth is, the struggle looks different, but the heart behind it is the same. Yesterday's immigrants worked in factories. Today's work in hospitals, restaurants, tech, delivery trucks, construction sites, offices. Different jobs. Same dream. Same fight. The dream that refuses to die. Critics say the American dream is fading. But if you ask the people chasing it, they'll tell you something else. They'll tell you that the dream isn't a guarantee. It's a journey. A journey of 14-hour shifts. Sharing rooms with strangers. Sending money home. Learning a new language. Raising kids who grow up with two identities. And somehow, they keep going. The real question, is it worth it? So the real question isn't whether the American dream is alive. It's who is willing to chase it. Because every year, millions still do. Why? Because even with the challenges, even with the cost, even with the pressure, America still gives something no other place offers. A chance. A chance to rewrite your story. A chance to build something from nothing. A chance to give your children a life you never had. The dream may have changed, but the courage behind it hasn't. So maybe the real American dream was never about becoming rich. Maybe it was about believing. Even when the world tells you not to. Tell me. Would you chase the dream?